Hello everyone, I ARTI BAJAJ, faculty in MCA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on enumerations in C language. An enumeration, it is a set of named integer constants. Enumerations are common in our everyday life. For example, in the enumeration of a coin, it is used in United States as penny, nickel, dime, quarter, half dollar and dollar. Like enum is a class of all these particular variables. Enumeration are defined much like the structures. The keyword enum signals the start of the enumeration type. The general form for enumeration is defined as enum tag in the curly braces enumeration list and then variable list with the semicolon. Here both the tag and the variable list are optional, but at least one must be present. The following code fragment define an enumeration called the coin. Enum coin in the curly braces penny, nickel, dime, quarter, half dollar, dollar within the curly braces and semicolon, where coin is the tag name. The enumeration tag name that can be used to declare the variable of its type. Like in this, we can define like coin is the tag name. From the name of the tag, we define what will be the variables. So, the following declares the many to a variable of the type coin, like enum coin money with the semicolon. Given these declarations, the following type of statements are perfectly valid, like money equals to dime. And if money equals to quarter, then we can define or we can print the money is a quarter. Here we are comparing money and the quarter. The key point to understand about an enumeration is like each of the symbols that stand for an integer value. As such, they can be used anywhere that an integer can be used. Each symbol is given a value 1 greater than the symbol that it precedes. The value of the first enumeration symbol is 0. Therefore, if we define the print statement like which declare printf %d with the penny and the time, which you can see in the diagram, it displays 0 and 2 on the screen. So, the specification of the value of one or more of the symbols by using an initialize is also allowed in C language. For example, the following code assign the value of 100 to quarter, like enum coin in the curly braces penny, nickel, dime, quarter equals to 100 and half dollar and dollar. So, the values of these symbols as you can see is penny 0, nickel 1, dime 2, quarter 100, half dollar 101 and dollar will be 102. Because we initialize the value of quarter as 100, so it will increase from the quarter itself. So, one common but erroneous assumption about the enumeration is that the symbols can be input and output directly. This is not the case. For example, in the following code fragment, it will not perform as desired, like money equals to dollar, and if we print printf %s with the money. Remember, dollar is simply a name for an integer, it is not a string. Thus, attempting to the output money as a string is inherently invalid. So, that's all about the enumeration, that's all about the lecture. I hope you understand the lecture. Thank you very much.